This video is meant to give a brief overview of the search lookup kiosk interface with data services from Ingram. When you first start the kiosk up, you'll get these options. You can either go to Tools and set up things, which requires an employee password. You can go into Customer Mode, which is a touchscreen only window meant for your customers to search and find out information about titles and products. Or you can go to the employee kiosk, which will allow you to do a similar search. You can have different searches set up for employees than for customers, or and also you get a few extra capabilities which we'll go over here. As you can see, when you first get in here, you get a full screen search which you would set up. You may select between your different searches that you'd set up. We have just the defaults in here for the moment: a book search, a music search, a gift search, and a Bible search. We will do a Bible search here first, just for this demo. You can search by version, by different keywords, and so on and so forth. For this example, we'll just search for one that's keywords. We'll just say we want to search for a large print Bible that is imprintable. We're sorting by the demand ranking to see which ones are most in demand. And we get a giant print reference Bible. You can either go ahead and add it to your cart. You can get the details on it, which we'll just go ahead and do. The details gives a list. You can set up what options you see, including stock levels, various information about the Bible or books or gifts or whatever you're doing. If you want to, you can also have a picture show up here. This particular item does not appear to have one. Let me see if I can find one that does. Here we are. So this item does have a picture. As you can see, it's loaded up right here, so you can get it and just refer to it and make sure that it is what you want. You can also see that we do have stock levels for this one. This means that this is a Ingram particular item. And you can see that it's actually on hand in a couple of the locations. If we were in the customer facing side, by default that information is not shown because the customer does not need to know that. We will add this to our cart, and you can see that we've got our cart here. It's got our quantity, title, and so forth. You've got a few options here. You can print the cart to a receipt printer that you have set up within the program. This will print with a barcode on each item that you can then scan within whatever other program. You can also export to a file. This will put it in a text file suitable for importing into Flashback for doing purchase ordering. It can also be used with iPage for doing purchase ordering through Ingram. If you want to add more items, you can quick search to scan for a particular item number. You can search to add something else. For example, let's say we're going to search for gospel. This is our touchscreen keyboard. It allows you to enter items whenever you click in a box. You can just enter whatever you would need to. So we'll say we want to add America's 25 favorite old-time gospel songs. As you can see with music, you can get a full track listing for many items to see America's 25 favorite old-time gospel songs, and then add them on there. And then if we want to export to the file, we just hit export to file. You go to whatever location you wish to put it, and you just type in the file name. And then you have your file in that location with that item that you may then purchase order using. If you want to change the quantity, which defaults to 1, you just highlight the particular row, hit change quantity, and type in the new quantity that you want. If you change your mind on an item and wish to clear the cart, you just hit clear cart and it'll empty it out and take you to a new search.